Piggie Book. Pigs make me sneeze.
By Mo Willems.
Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I want
Yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Sniff.
Are you okay?
I don't know. Chew. I cannot stop. Chew. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew.
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry, but if pigs make me do sneeze, I can't not be near you. Then we cannot be friends. We must be apart forever.
But Gerald!
Do not speak. It's too late. Chew. Goodbye.
Gerald!
Sniff.
Are you okay, Gerald?
I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is my best friend. Achoo! Great. Cats make me sneeze too. Done.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
You. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold!
Good for you.
Yeah.
Can you find the pigeon?
Yeah.
Where?
I'm pointing. Pointing.
The end. Pigs make me sneeze. A Mo Willems story. Narrated by
Me and Daddy.